I'm here in Turin, Italy, and I'm super excited because this is my first time here in the city. And I arrived yesterday evening, and today my plan is to visit the main sites of the town. First of all, I would love to go to the Fiat factory, the old one, which is closed now, and there's a museum and a shopping mall inside. So I'm very curious what is going on there. And after that, I definitely would like to go to the Museum of Automobile. Just follow me and let's look around here in Turin. We are at the Fiat factory now, and this building behind me was the original Fiat factory, and it's not functioning anymore because in the 80s they closed it, and now it's a shopping mall, a hotel. But we try to also go to the top, where is this very famous Lingotto oval track. And look on the top of the building, this is this oval, and this was this long track where the freshly built cars were driving up and down and basically up to the top of the building, to the test track. Also was very unique because of this indoor oval track. So can you imagine, that was the biggest car factory in the world, bigger than Ford at that time. Look this, guys, look this amazing view, the Alps. Oh, so beautiful. It's amazing view from here. So it's really amazing to be here. It's very interesting to see this very abandoned old factory. And now I think we're gonna go to our next destination, which is Italy. So I'm gonna grab some snack there, that's for sure. Finally, the top of the Fiat building on the super famous test track here behind me. And look this beautiful view. Look the mountains. Isn't it beautiful? Amazing here. You can see the whole city. It's such a historic place. So this is the top, and also the museum is here, the Agnelli Pinacoteca. We're also gonna go inside. But this is something very spectacular. Just only one in the world. It's crazy to think about how many, like millions of cars have been produced here and tested here. And now it's just empty, really. And it's very quiet. It's nice they use the building for a gallery and for a shopping mall, but it's still kind of strange that it's just, you know, these times are gone. So here we are at the Museum of Cars. Yeah, from outside it looks pretty old. And this is just actually a few meters from the factory away. We're gonna go inside. have to say the museum was super nice. They have so much things and they really showing the history of car making, even car design. So if you want to have a massive overview about how the cars are built, how is the whole history behind car making, you have to definitely come here. I really like the museum. I didn't know that it's so big, and it was a super nice experience, so I can recommend this to you guys. And now I think that was it for today, because we already had like so much thing what we saw, so I think it's time to a little bit just walk around in the city and have some dinner. Lavazza Museum, and it's all about coffee and all about the brand Lavazza. So we have this little cup here and this information coming out, so it's very interactive. It's a very nice exhibition. This is the headquarters of the brand and the museum, so it's very nice building as well.